but
Ivany on
I
Instagram Live Part 1.
One day she up on her live and she class me, go and she class me, come and she stay. Anytime she see me, one go happen this and that. Anyways, I'm not saying nothing to her, you know. You know me argue back and whatever. Blood clot, when me done know, and I go after she post office for see if I see my pin. My YouTube pin, I go for see if I see my YouTube pin. When me did know, under my fingernail, I saw flavor pussy look. Yeah. So flavor pussy look and I saw the tongue look. White like under my blood clot fingernail. Talk to my fingernail them nice, no? Yeah. I fuck them out every night and the pre-cum them I stuck underneath it. And you see now I have people like you know who depend on the life. Push it in your face. Go girl. Finger pussy in your face. How you feel about it? Eh? What you say? Where you are say? If you're not saying nothing, you're not talk good the way you say. But don't talk to you. Because if me, they don't hide anything under them nails, they never think. But I clean them up before me come live. No, when girl ride off her blood clot finger and proud her finger them. This is how me show them up in your face. Where you say? They not nothing I say. Alright, back to what me I say now. What do you me got all the blood clot post office? And me say, me never see her yet, you know. But then I talk to the woman about my pin, right? And the woman I look for the pin for me and she help me out of them thing there. When me stand up in there, it empty. Nobody never in there. Normally when me go post office, I be a long line. Nobody never in there. In there, it empty. So you know while the woman I look for the pin and etc. Me stand up so now and turn around now and look across the road. When I blood clot look across the road, now the 3 young upcoming fishes them me I see across the road. Eh? The 3 upcoming fishes me see across the road. Me say what? Me see the upcoming little young batty boy where she have on the right side. And me see the upcoming little fish, aka Batman little girl where she have on the left side. Them stalker little girl, cause them a take fuck like a what she have, them a fuck them out anyway where she carry them go. Anyways now, my daddy now and them coming. Hear the girl now, them a trouble her. You know, so I could see her and pick problem. I did not see her. Well, I'm going to go for the key. So, you know, me get my key from K6 Emporium. I have my nice pepper spray. Show no I go on. Me have my flashlight. Me have my flashlight. Me have a little piece of ratchet knife, so. Me have that something me have to ram anybody in them bumbo clock that fuck around me. I have something we can pull a liquor. Black that you the fake page, okay? You're not saying nothing good. You think you know me live. What else upon it? Yes, I have my thing them. So me stand up so. I don't know if I did she see and she catch her coward, you know. I don't know. I am just saying. So me bend over so and I know the counter more higher. So me turn on so now and me I talk to the lady. I tell the woman say if you go look for the pin. She'll look for the pin for me, my YouTube pin. So you know nobody in the place. So me I go turn around so now. And I look. When me turn around, so I see the 3 upcoming Batman them come across. You know me just turn around back so long. And me I say, Father God, me I beg you, do not make you say nothing to me. Because if I say something to me today, me now ask you. Furthermore, from me Sierra come me start with my pepper spray so. And I saw me turn it. What needs so? Freshly used, freshly get it, never use it yet. And this a pepper spray, legit pepper spray. So me have it so. Where you look now, she come, she see me. She never see me yet, you know. Because when me stand up, one time she come side of me, because she come side of me store, and she still never realized me. She use her hand sanitizer, and she has sanitizer, and she have one box like it's her cream, them she that go sit up, and then she dip on her phone. But she did get too close to me. Yeah? She did come too